Okay, so how can we solve the challenges posed by swivel chair process? This is where a development agency like Acro Commerce is going to come into play. And these are the solutions over the years that we've been able to present to customers just like yourself when you're looking to continue the evolution of your digital roadmap. So up first, we have streamlining data flow. So Acro Commerce and digital agencies have the ability to create or connect API integrations between segregated systems to enable seamless data exchange. So simply put, if we have two softwares that aren't able to communicate with each other, we're able to build out that pipeline of information that can pass through from one software to another. Automation of repetitive tasks. So we develop automation scripts or use robotic process automation, also known as RPA tools, to automate routine tasks like data entry, as we had mentioned before, as well as data validation and report generation, again, freeing up your employees to be able to focus on more strategic activities. Speed is obviously huge. Automation increases operational efficiency by speeding up previously manual and time-consuming processes, allowing for faster response times to your customers' needs. This can be great for not only things like sales fulfillment, but also customer service. Speaking of your customers, real-time access, data exchange is often now going to be real-time, providing businesses with up-to-the-minute information. And that can be huge when you're looking, again, at e-commerce fulfillment or reordering stock, anything to do with the parts and services that you're going to be able to supply to your customers, again, for great customer service. Scalability is the overarching primary pain we're talking about throughout this entire thing, and that is digital automation solutions can quickly scale your company's growth, and that's huge. Again, we've been talking about bottlenecks and stagnation. So we have the ability through scalability to support more users, more transactions, and more data without the proportional cost increases in complexity. We don't have to hire more staff. Data security we haven't talked about, but is obviously really big, and that is that we implement secure API integrations and data handling practices that comply with the industry best practices and standards, reducing the risk of data breaches for both yourself and for your customers. So that's it for the primary solutions. This is part 3 of 3. I hope that you have enjoyed the swivel chair process discussion here today. I appreciate your time, and tune in next time for another one of your primary challenges I'm sure you're seeing within the mid-market and enterprise level manufacturing space. I'm Jeff Schaffner. Thanks for taking the time.